produce It's hard to produce output within customer requirement when your process standard deviation is too much. Under such situation, your sigma levels will be low. As a result, your success rate or your yield will also be low. However, your DPMO will be very high. On the other hand, if you reduce the standard deviation, your process will look like this. It will grow taller in the center. Virtually everything you produce will meet customer requirement. That means your process sigma levels will be in the order of 4.5 to 6, very high, and your success rate or yield will be high. DPMO will be very, very low. You can even make it a rare event. And this is called Six Sigma way of problem solving. A real-time problem is converted into a statistical problem. How we did that? By identifying the CTQs. A single product can have multiple CTQs. For every CTQ, if you make the sigma levels high, your customers will have a great experience, a satisfactory experience with your product, because each of the CTQ you are maintaining at a higher sigma level. So statistical problem is always, standard deviation being higher or central tendency not at the target. These are called statistical problem. For all statistical problem, statistical solution is always reducing standard deviation, keeping the average at the target. How will you reduce the standard deviation, or how will you move the center to the target? By working in real time. That is called a practical solution. If you follow this approach, this is called a Six Sigma approach. Here success always happens if you follow the 5-phase 15-step methodology called DMAC. Failure is a rare event. If you follow other methodology, if you are compromising on the measurement error, compromising on the sampling error, compromising on the right tools and techniques, success will be a rare event, failure will be a frequent event. You can decide the approach which you wanted for your organization, right? So when you follow the Six Sigma methodology, there are several benefits any organization can immediately realize. These are: the revenue and the profit can double and triple very easily. And then the cost associated with the failures can come down drastically, because you are not projecting anything, right? And your efficiency will improve a lot. A resource producing 4 output is now producing 9 output every single hour. This is the level of efficiency you will achieve. Importantly, when your organization is practicing Six Sigma, everyone inside will become effective. Everyone will be trained on Six Sigma body of knowledge. That will make them think in a proper way while solving any problem, be it customers or your business. That will make them very good in problem solving and decision making. And here you are seeing no different colors indicating the belt levels. And people who learn and become effective, they will eventually become leaders, and leaders will guide others. And if everyone becomes effective, your organization can grow very fast. Individually also, learning Six Sigma will be very, very helpful to all of you. It will make you a leader in the in the shortest time. You don't have to reach your retirement age to become a leader in the organization. Maybe within 3 to 5 years of you becoming a green belt or a black belt, you can see to that you grow by a considerable amount in your career and become a team leader or a group leader, or some good position you will be able to achieve. And you are called good leader because you are able to impact the business result, the so-called Y variable. If you can impact the Y variable, you can make your company you can make your company make a lot of money, and eventually you will also make a good money. And this skill can take you closer to your dream company. Sometimes this can make your company, your company itself can become a dream company, right? The moment company practices Six Sigma and lean, it will eventually become a big company. So this learning can generate a job offer, or can generate an opportunity for you to work with your dream company on a full-time position or as a consultant. So learning lean and Six Sigma is helpful to your professional life as well as personal life, right? So we have learned all these things in the last session. Sigma level is a measure of process capability. Specification limits are the limits provided by the customer. Our control limits are the limits calculated using process data. A 3 Sigma process is just capable, in which the short-term yield is 99.73. However, a 6 Sigma process is doubly capable, in which the long-term yield is 99.99966%. In a 3 Sigma process, the control limit will overlap with the specification limit. In a 6 Sigma process, the control limit will be moved closer to the process average, right? Higher the Sigma level, higher will be the capability. For higher Sigma level, you must lower the standard deviation, and prior to that, you must ensure your average is on the target central tendency. And problem solving and decision making skills are very, very helpful, even I would say essential, for your professional as well as personal success. All right, this completes our technical part of our white belt program. I already told you about the learning circle. Our training pedagogy strictly complies to the learning circle. So how a human brain learns, the same way we train our participant, right? So you are going to learn from us with a lot of hand holding. Whatever experience you had with the white belt training program, it is going to be much more better in a green belt training program or a black belt training program. If you want to have give you such a best experience, best way of learning, you can consider joining our program. We will train you, get you the certificate, and not only that, we will help you implement your learning. Your first green belt project will certainly happen by holding your hands throughout the project, right? Myself and my team of experts will guide you on your first project also. So already you have seen the picture, and it's important we think smartly and don't think act like this elephant, which is strongly believing that it cannot break this small chain. The smaller chain is your enrollment in the program now. If you think you can't enroll yourself, then you are delaying your success. Nothing wrong, no, giving you the opportunity in the early stage of your career. So learn more so that you can earn more. Don't miss such opportunities by having these small excuses. Our program is completely flexible. We will see to that each one of you qualify in the exam. We'll see to that each one of you implement your first green belt or black belt project, and you will also receive an appreciation for that also. And we take complete responsibility in taking you through your Lean Six Sigma journey. And our program is also flexible to the extent that even if you miss few modules, the recordings will be provided to you on the same day so that you can balance. So don't worry about your schedule clashing and other things. See that you are enrolling, and then you will certainly be successful. And if, even in a complex situation, we will not mind you allowing you sit for no repeated batches also. You register for the upcoming batch. For some reason you have missed some of the class, then you can be a guest participant for the next batch also. Every month we have certain batches. And also please do share your experience with your friends, colleagues. Invite your friends and refer your friends and colleagues to attend our white belt program, the free webinar, followed by the white belt program, followed by the green belt as well as the black belt. And also all of you have the offers available today for you. And the black belt program is commencing this Saturday. The offer price is 17,700, and over and above there is a coupon code. You can check whether the coupon code would work now also. If it works, you will get additional 10% discount. So 10% is also around 1,800. It's not a small money. You can consider using the discounts and avail all the privileges. Same way, Greenbelt also the cost is 11,800. If you use this coupon code, further 10% discount you will get. And those of you who feel you must learn Six Sigma the right way, and link is yours. If you wanted to take chances, it is up to you. Wish you all the very best for a wonderful Lean Six Sigma journey. If there is any questions you want me to answer, I am okay to answer your question. And also, we would like to take a picture with all of you. Please do come on video. Come on video. And Vivek Kamalan, you raised a question. BPS. Can you expand that?
Yes, sir. Could you explain it?
Yeah, please. What you have written something BPS. What is that?